start and record, like so. Okay, and
Here
now
is
we're
another member of the island. Oh,
now
hello.
now we are officially live. Brother, that took half an hour. Crazy.
Yeah, dude. Imagine.
Imagine that. Okay, I think.
Imagine if Ninja got a low tape of fade.
Bro, it's so weird when you update things, but things are not being up. Oh, I
Screen share,
need.
bro.
Yeah,
Screen
yeah,
share.
yeah, I will.
Screen share.
I just realized
screen
that I
share.
did update all of the Pac-Man packages, but I think I might have to update the Yay packages. Yeah, separately.
Yay.
Hello,
Yay.
pig.
Oh, fucking hell.
I will do that before I hit the bed.
The
Ah,
bed.
bro's never eating the bed.
All right. Let me
I'm
also.
waiting for him to show his face so I can insert it.
Of course.
Fuck yeah. Yes.
Okay, there.
Everyone
need
knows
it,
that
man.
Lucas was on the island. Because this is an island
You
boy.
spelled sig, lol. Did I misspell sig or what do you mean?
Yeah,
Or
you
is-
did.
The
spelled
I
sog.
is big.
Yeah, what's
Yeah,
How
up?
the fuck did you
misspelled, bro.
How did you mess that up?
Oh,
I
what?
don't know, man.
Oh, I actually did misspell. No. That's it's intentional, all right. Trust me, bro. Trust me.
It's intentional rage bait.
Yes, that's just what I.
What if the L in Vulkan is actually an I?
Oh no.
Vilken.
Vul...
Right.
Vulkan.
Vulkan. That sounds like Russian. Wait,
Chunk.
Vulkan.
Oh no. Okay,
Vulkan.
okay, guys.
Vulkan.
Okay.
Yes, Vulkan.
Okay, that was that's the next video. I'm spoiling a lot of those next videos. At the beginning of every live stream, I have that open. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, these
So.
are the Lucas files here.
Okay. So
The
Harold,
Lucas files.
are we planning? Are we planning now, or what are we? Are we?
Right.
Okay, it's finished.
It's done. Ship it.
Ship it? No, well, I don't know about that. Yo, what's up, T-Chef?
Yeah. Oh, it's the penguin operator in the VC. That's crazy.
Yo, is
Also,
it?
no Ili.
No,
Or
really?
Noile.
Noel?
I don't know how to pronounce that.
There's a lot of people in today's voice chat. That's crazy. All right, let's see. I think
Wait, I'll fucking I need to rejoin.
you need to rejoin. All right.
Okay.
But yeah.
Lucas, we have
An un.
speak request from
Oh.
Careful de Raymond.
Scaffold
Yes.
Raymond.
Ray-Bans.
Yeah, exactly.
It's always the same case. If I haven't spoken with you like in a lengthy extent in a call before, I'm not gonna allow you to speak in the live stream. Just safety measures always, just to know that it's a person that you kind of at least know somewhat. It's a little questionable that I have Lucky speaking in this call.
Yeah, the least trustworthy person speaking you have here, and everyone else can't speak. But this dude, you know, like.
No, but it's just join a call when it's not live. Then we'll just talk shit and see. Then usually it's quite easy to get permission to talk honestly, but just at least I know a little bit. Damn, bro has the whole server on the channel. Yeah. The whole the whole server is right now here.
Yeah, let's bring everyone.
No.
I'm gonna. Oh, dude, I fucking have a great idea.
Getting banned?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Dude, you're not gonna ban me again. No.
Bro.
Again?
I just pretend to ban this guy, but in reality, I just move him to a separate PC and then move him back
Yeah, bro, you muted me.
for like 1 minute.
No, an hour.
Oh, now 1 hour, 1 minute, same, but different.
Yeah. Same but different. Yeah, I'm gonna go buy more stuff.
What did I even mute you for though? Probably just
You
being
muted me
Lucas.
for for hating on you, like for speaking my opinion.
Oh, well, what did you? What was the? What was the? Yeah, opinion
Wait,
I disagreed with you.
what did
about?
I don't remember.
downloading?
Well, I can mute myself
Right.
for 1 hour for that.
I cleared my cache, so I don't have the SIG version. No, I have to update
You're
the.
cooked.
I'm cooked. No.
Oh, the chef.
It was not the
No.
Holy shit. It's too rage bait to be on my phone on the live because my like lower display is broken on my phone, so I can't see anything. So I always
Perfect.
can't see the last message. It's so bad.
Just have your phone upside down.
What do you mean upside down?
Yeah, upside down. You know, it makes
Fuck,
sense.
fuck. I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked. Oh no.
Yeah, too bad. Anyways, I got to do a public apology about my moderation. And
Okay.
I want to say sorry to Lucas for muting him for 1 hour.
Brother,
You're
do it
excused. It's
publicly,
okay.
What did you say, Lucas?
You're excused. It's okay. You.
No, not you, Lucas. What did
Ah.
you say, Lucas?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, what did you say, Lucas?
Which Lucas are you talking to now? I'm very confused, honestly.
Lucas.
he's targeting
Lucas,
me.
Lucas, what did you say?
What did I say? Yeah,
I
good
don't know.
question.
What is your response to my apology?
What apology?
All right. That's Spanish guy.
Yes.
All right. So
That was the last dance.
Oh, guys,
Yeah.
there's a Lucas in the chat now as well. Oh, come on! I upgraded and now Jolt.
you have to do root module system.root module.link library.
Oh yeah, that's right.
All right.
Well, Lucas was already on red when he sent 6.7 in the chat when he printed the memory.
Yes. Lucas
Oh, we
is
got
the
that.
definition of 6.7.
Oh no. Wait, system.link. What?
You're an asshole.
Root module link.
Ah, so you have to
No.
root module that
Yeah.
link library like that, and besides that, it's pretty
Link
much.
library. Yes.
I
Mhm.
see.
Same, but different.
That makes sense. And do I have to?
Sensei, what
Yes.
the hell?
I think I have to do it for multiple one. No, fuck. What is that? 162.
Root module also, bro.
The same thing? Nah.
Same, but different. You know?
Why did they change this?
Swear to God, you fuck.
Because it makes sense.
Mm.
Also, everything's gonna be deprecated, but thankfully you don't use the SIG
Oh, yeah.
standard, so
Yes, exactly. Very much.
yeah. So it doesn't bother you
You never did.
because you don't like the SIG standard library.
Imagine using the C standard library in Zig.
Yeah.
I try.
I
But
agree.
Harold is always like, no, don't. And I'm like, damn. And is this also a root module
You know this
then?
is an imagine.
Function.
Right.
Add the include store, so it's also root module, I think. Ah.
Yes, it's all root module. So, Tishef, wie geht es dir?
Mir geht es gut.
No.
warum?
Wait, what? Make path?
Why are you speaking Russian?
Right.
Yeah, but
Right.
I'm eating right now, so I will probably be mute and just
Yeah.
hear you guys say
Mm.
stuff.
Dude, I have a fucking important decision to make.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, ban this guy, bro.
Yeah, man, this guy. He just leaves us on a cliffhanger like that. How could he? Yeah,
How
no,
do
these are
you...
terms
What
of
is it
ban.
called nowadays? So this what you do for compile
Oh,
shader.
you're cooked.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
Don't
you're
tell-
cooked.
Lucas, on chat, someone is asking you on like just read.
Please go
Yes.
back to stable, bro. If I go to stable, then I'm really cooked. I need to use.
So
I have been developing 0.16 since the beginning of this project. If I go to 50 and Oh no, oh no.
Yeah, but 16 is almost stable in like 1 or 2
Yeah,
rounds.
yeah, 16 is soon stable. We're playing on that one.
You do, yes, you do var threaded.
After STD? What?
No, you just make a new variable.
Oh, you mean like,
Don't, yeah, var threaded.
alright.
Thread ed, you know, education. Yes, colon.
Wait, do not listen to Harold. Wait, it deadlocks? What do you mean it deadlocks? Oh, threaded deadlocks.
Ignore what he's saying, alright? Okay, just listen to me. No, it's fine. This function only runs once, it's alright. Colon.
Okay, it's only runs once. We're gonna do bad practice for that purpose.
std io dot threaded.
Okay, wait. What does Cheesecake has to say though? Who do you trust more, me or him? Honestly, I do trust Cheesecake a little bit more when it comes to these things, Harold.
What? What? Bro, I've been
Bro
on
got
16
betrayed.
the entire time.
Yeah, no,
Bro,
but
this is rage bait.
I think you would also agree that Cheesecake is a freaking mastermind in when it comes to these things. You know, he's crazy. He's cracked.
These things. Bro, I know the
Guys.
standard library in and out. It's like your mom.
Wait, what?
Nice.
Guys, I have an idea. Why not write everything in Java?
Oh, okay, somebody
Don't.
ban this guy right now. I don't want to hear another word from him.
Just kidding.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's alright.
Okay, what is Mr. Cheesecake saying? Alright, let's see what he's saying.
We put it in GPT and tell it to translate it to 6.16. That's
It
how
doesn't know 16.
it does know
Anyways.
16.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
So what is Cheesecake's solution
Yeah.
to this problem here?
It's a mistake. Okay, Cheesecake. What do we do then? What
Yeah,
do
let him cook.
Well, if we cannot do well, it sounds kind of weird, honestly, to do it threaded. So,
Well, it's not actually gonna be threaded. It's gonna be single threaded, but it's just the IO implementation.
yeah,
But you don't know what that is. So-
No, but the thing is, I cannot go back to point 15 because I have written everything with the point 16 right now. So I'm rather staying on point
Yeah,
16. I think that's the better path to take right now. Otherwise, it's gonna be so many. Everything has to change. Like 1.16 is stable, then I will stay on that one. But for the moment being, I will stay on point 16. It's the best.
Bro, my mouth
Ooh.
is watering from the thinking about 0.17. That would be
I will go for. I would donate, but I'm freaking poor. Thank you.
Yeah, we all are.
I'm also freaking poor.
It's the thought that counts.
It's the thought that counts. Thank you so much. I will put a top donators, and I will put a Netherite official. Imaginary donation.
Yes, of $0.
Whopping $0.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, but
Anyways, Lucas, are you ready to do the thing?
sorry, Cheesecake. If your suggestion is to go back to stable, how do you spell threaded?
Like Fred and then Ed. Ed is a variable.
CHREAD.
Nah, bro, that's fedded. Fedded.
I said an R, dipshit.
Yeah, well, he loves dipping shit in water. So it's the DIO.
No, Lucas just loves shit.
IO.
he dips
freaky.
it.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
It's
async.
var threaded, bro.
Oh,
Var threaded.
my
yeah, but you're not
bad.
gonna use the async.
Okay.
Yes.
Oops.
What the fuck? These are my parents. Fucking leaving-
All right.
Locking the back door but leaving the key in.
Yes.
Oh, fuck.
So wait. IO.
Yeah, and you do dot threaded.
Threaded.
Which is how you.
Oh, that's how you spell it.
Yeah, equals
Oh my god.
Okay.
dot
Lucas finds out how you spell shit.
init single threaded. It's a variable. It's not a function. Great. Now you
There's
do
something
the
in here.
too bad. Do the fur now after this. Threaded dot init.
Yeah, this time
Yes.
don't forget the fur.
Yes.
Yeah.
And now you do const io equals threaded dot io, which is a function.
Wait. Before
Okay, guys.
Cheesecake is molding now that I betrayed him. Cheesecake, once 0.16 is stable, I'm staying on the stable versions, alright? But right now, I'm not
Nah,
going
bro,
away
if you make a new
0.16.
seed project, nah, bro, if it's a new project, you ain't staying on 16 forever. That's all.
No,
I'm saying.
as long as 16 is
I'm gonna force
stable,
you.
I'm staying until there's not a new stable version. I'm staying on 0.16 just because.
But that's in like forever.
No,
Okay.
it has to be because I think 0.16 is really nice. But the thing is that when it's
Yeah,
always
that's
updating, it's
true.
like so frustrating to deleting your cache and then you have to get the latest. And everything is fucked. I'm like, oh no, oh no, I don't want to do this again.
Okay, guys, I will go now and come back when I finished eating.
Alright. See ya. Okay, so IO, what did you call it?
Yes, io equals threaded.io. You know, I love that I could type this out in like 0.67 seconds.
Damn.
Anyways,
6, 7.
now
my
you
God.
do std.io dot dir
Dear? Ah,
directory, you know,
yeah.
dot cwd,
Okay.
which is a function, and then you remove the stdfs cwd down there. Yes.
On every call to this function, yes, but this function is called only once on compile. That's it. It's never called anywhere else. What did you say?
What?
Cheesecake's wondering
Yeah,
if it's being called every function call, but it's only called once, so I think it's fine.
Yeah. And also, who the hell stores their CWD? Okay, just remove the STDFS CWD down there. You know, it's the same shit. Just make path and whatever.
Wait, so it's the same. Wait, what do
Bro,
I put in?
Don't do it in the dumb way. Do it in the smart way. Just remove the STDFS CWD.
Oh, so it's continuing to use the same thing there.
Maybe it's create path nowadays. Actually, yeah. Create path.
Create that. No, Cheesecake is still going on in the
That's okay.
chat.
Create. Is it a directory or is it a file? This thing. It's a directory. Okay, but just do directory path. Well, actually, no, it's fine. No, it's fine. Yeah, we can work with this. Right.
How the fuck do I exit?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, great. Now this create directory takes in an IO also as the first parameter.
Oh yeah.
Well, second, but you know, yeah. Right. Now,
What is
actually,
that?
now we have to do
Expected
create
3 arguments
directory
found
path.
too, so still not.
Oh, permissions. Wait. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
wait.
permission
I
last
gotta
one.
check what the permissions are. Wait. I gotta check with this because there is this default directory, but it would be cool if we could ask for it to iterate in here. You know.
Mm.
So create this. What is the permission? It's an enum, isn't it? Yeah, it's an enum. There's default file, default directory. Is there? Just do equals dot default dir, you know.
Default there.
Yeah, just to use that one.
Is it just default like this? Here? Or how do I do the permission? I didn't. No? Error union ignored. Hello? Okay, I'm still alive. Guys, don't go silent on me, bro.
Oh,
I'm
sorry. Bro.
That's scary. That's
okay.
fucking scary, bro.
Bro. Yeah, sure. Anyways, do create directory path instead.
Wait, you mean?
Because we don't care about the directory.
Ah,
Right.
like that. So,
Then you don't even need the permission thing for the default directory.
Come on, I spent so much time trying to perfect that thing.
Nah, literally not.
No, you don't.
Alright.
Alright.
But like 5 seconds.
Lucas, Cheesecake wants you to read the chat. Wants to chat himself.
What's the point of initiating IO in compile shader? That does not make sense. Take it in IO param and in it somewhere in build. Harold knows
Bro,
STD in and out.
yes, but now because this shit is so messy anyways, it's...
What? Hey, come on now.
No, that's
Lucas, you don't want to make it clean. We already know that, alright? You don't even have
We're
to
gonna
hide it.
make it clean so we can work together on it.
Bro, I could clean this up in like 1 minute. It's gonna take forever if you do it. So now,
Okay, yeah, but then you could clean it up and you could join the project.
wait, is there? What? That's a thing? Okay, do b.graph.io instead of the threaded shit. And just do like const.io b.graph.io. I didn't know that was a thing.
You mean instead of the whole bar
Yeah,
threaded?
remove this. Yeah, remove those garbage things.
So this point, and then here just do a const.
No. You do. Okay, just remove that. Just remove this line also.
That one
The
too.
const.io. Yeah, just do const.io
Okay.
equals. Don't do colon. Equals b.graph.io.
Graph.io.
IO, yes.
Mhm.
That's good to know. Okay, great. Fabulous. Now you see it says sd fscwd open directory. Just replace the fs with io d directory.
Open the. Oh, you mean this thing? So replace. What did you say? Me what?
Use stdio dot directory dot cwd.
Harold, why are you talking so intensely about STD?
And why is Lucas failing so hardly?
You
right
said
now?
std.io.std something.
Oh my fucking
Bro, Lucas, all I'm saying is think. Think.
Use a bit of your brain.
Look at the line above.
Where's my? Oh, it's capital
Bro.
I.
Yeah, finally. Congrats.
Thanks.
Yes, and this open directory takes in an IO.
Does it? Oh, it does.
Yes.
And then it's just the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
This is going great.
Right, and that should be good. I'm pretty sure.
Function expected argument found 0. Next, is it the IO? It is the
Oh,
IO.
it takes in an IO. Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Run it and wait for all the errors. This is just the build script. So.
Yeah, it's very hilarious.
Yeah.
Oh, it's translating C though. That's pretty good.
So many
Why
translates.
why are the fighting characters on the bottom so low quality?
Because Lucas is low quality.
Because that
Thank
thing
you,
is
Lucas.
actually like it's run through Unity, and then because I couldn't get transparent window working on my Arch Linux, so I just made it green screen background. So then I render that overlay, and then I use a green screen key to filter through the background, and that's why they.
Yes, but you can at least increase the size of them so the quality doesn't degrade when you size them down.
Oh, I don't
Right.
size them down. That's just how they are. Yeah.
Guys, as we
Oh.
said before, Cheesecake said about b.graph.io. He wants the credit for it, and the credit he shall have.
All right. Let's see. What was the thing now? Matrix. Harold, you need to upgrade your mat library. Vulkan.
Oh no, you're doing environment variables.
Yes.
Oh, it's cooked. He's cooked.
Oh, it's not. It's a simple one actually. It's not too bad. I'm just getting one to see this thing. If I'm running with
Simple thing, he says.
yeah. Because
Simple thing, he says.
if I'm using a
Oh,
render doc,
man.
I need to add these things or yeah.
Oh, this is
Not
this is
render
funny.
docs. Because render doc
He really
will.
thinks he's gonna get an environment variable. This is
I just need one
That's the
environment
thing is-
variable. Isn't that hard? I just need an environment variable.
Oh boy. Go to your main, alright? We got to do a UC main now.
Oh no.
Yeah. User main is about as shit as you could think that it would be. So in your main here, you're taking a parameter.
Oh, amazing. Well, that doesn't sound too crazy.
Call it init. And do you do colon std?
I don't think I can
Do you have
call it.
something called? Bro, do you have something else called the init in here?
No, I shouldn't.
IO process.
Progress.
I'm surprised it's lowercase. I can't believe they didn't put process in IO. That's crazy. You do init here.
Uh-huh.
It's a type. Yes, exactly. And wow, now your application uses an allocator. That's crazy.
Well, I already
So-
was using one, so what's the big deal?
Yeah. But now it does it in the start function. So that's fabulous. Now we got to pass this init into where you need environment variables.
There is no better way of doing this.
Nope.
You know, I could also just store it in the config and just see if it's render doc and then reuse just as a bool.
Are you
know?
dumb?
Yeah.
Just pass the shit in to the init or have a boolean for it.
Because it has to be
in
passed.
the
Well, I
function
guess.
parameter.
Okay, I guess I. But this is the
But you should have a
debug message.
boolean though.
This is the debug message.
Yeah,
here.
that's fine.
So I could just pass. Because I already take the config in here, so I could
Yeah.
just store it in the config as a bool, and then based on that, be if it's render doc or not.
Yeah, sure.
Then I don't have to pass
Sounds
that
good,
thing.
sounds
Yeah. So let's see. Where I think I do have debug config here. So then I can just do. Where is my LSP? Okay, it's not cooperating.
It's because you named the init, and there's another thing called init because you're great at naming, and then the LSP is like, no, I don't want to work. You're not renaming that to anything else than init. That's all I'm saying.
Well, I don't have anything called init in this file. Yeah, only Vulkan surface I do have.
Okay, so yeah, it's probably just because it's not being used, I guess. Yeah, unused. But it's fine. You don't need LSP to type in a field.
No, but I need to go to the renderer and add it into the config. Actually, no, it's the Vulkan init instance. Where this thing? Oh, no, here. Okay. So, device instance debug. It's this config here. And then I just add it here. Do I say just render is render doc or disable?
Nice. Do like is render doc active or something.
You know why don't I just do this actually? Why don't I just do it in here, main? When I assign these things, no, well then I would have to do it for each and every one of these fields.
What?
Because I could just do it here if render doc is active and put them all to false. Because I don't think there is anything else that needs it.
Okay.
Yeah, this is.
Is that what happens?
Let's see, severity verbose message. Yeah, because if it's message severity, no, never mind, nah, it's config. No, if it's true, then it does the or equal. So yeah, I could just put them all to false if it's rendered up from the main config already, and I don't have to add another field. And it would be fine. I think that's better because otherwise you're just introducing another variable, which is kind of
great.
funny.
Sounds good. Sounds great. Not gonna lie. Go to the config where you were and set the default to be false.
Okay.
Trust me on this one.
Wait, change word. Yeah. False.
Bro, I could do this in VS Code in like 2 seconds. Okay, great. Also remove the running render doc variable thingy trash garbage.
I don't need these thing anymore either. Okay.
Great. Now we go back to the main, the main. Okay, now we're gonna do ternary. So, do if before the dot curly brace here. No, what?
Before the curly brace. Wait, what?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to be smart about this.
Okay.
If and then parenthesis. And then we do init dot and then it is environment map dot yes, and then find let's see get.
Or is there a find?
Yeah.
Nah, there. Wait, find.
Is there, wait, there's a contains though.
Contains. Ah.
Is that the one? Maybe.
Well, it takes in a
Right.
string. Fuck, I forgot the string. We need to take it back.
Right. Yeah. What function were you even using before?
I was using has and var
Has.
constant.
Okay. Great.
Just gonna yank that. We can remove it after we're done with this, just in case. And then paste. What the hell? So it's like that. Okay, great. How do I select word? Is there
Bro,
like a?
why do you not just type in the quotes first and then print it in?
Because then I have to press insert before I paste it. Whatever.
Right, but just be smart, dude.
Okay, so if it contains, then that, and then
No, no. If not contains.
yeah, that makes sense. Oh my god.
Well, actually, no. Do if it contains, yeah.
Hmm?
Then we do dot curly brace after the if here.
No, because can you just not? If it contains, not contains, then you do this, and if it doesn't, then you don't.
It doesn't work like that.
Then you don't do anything, because the default are already false.
No, because you're doing assignment. No.
Ah, right.
But just do,
Yeah.
bro. Just do dot curly brace because with the defaults are false, it's fine.
Yes. Else.
And then you do else. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
This is way better than doing it 4 times for every single field, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Who
agree.
knew that you could be smart? I mean, I could be smart.
Yeah, that was pretty
but-
surprising.
Right.
Okay. Okay, is it to try again then? Let's
Sure.
see. Root source file fs. Ah, it's in the file watcher now. No.
So, the reload and all of these functions are gonna need an IO now. Or actually, this is the init. Pass in an IO after.
After.
Comp time first.
Ah, that makes sense. Do I just call it IO? And then it's
Yes.
std.io, like so.
Yes. Also, Cheesecake, what comes first, the allocator or the IO? I would say the allocator. Or? Because some IOs need an allocator to be created. So then you have an allocator longer. Anyways, yeah, you know what to do now, Lucas.
Yeah, I'll just took a sip of water. It was so much thinking that went on here, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need an IO, but we can do that easily. Okay.
Can I not
With
get
the
from
power
the?
of UC. Yes.
Okay.
The const IO equals init.io.
I was thinking. Oh, so but I was thinking just can't you just do init.io as a instead of just storing
Nah.
it? Nah. Okay. I was thinking we
We're
could
not
just.
really storing it. It's just an alias. You know, I allow aliases for things that you're going to pass around everywhere, like allocators and shit. Okay. Great.
Okay, so now we got the IO in here.
Yeah, exactly.
Oops. my
One
bad.
thing also that we're gonna do in a moment, actually. Yeah, you do this first. Can he figure it out?
I will figure this out somehow.
So first of all, you
SDD.
remove the STD on useless. Okay.
std.std. What was the thing? Not dir or something? I want something with dir, that I remember.
Oh, goldfish ass memory.
Hey!
You know the GPT is hitting hard. at this
What?
point.
But I tried doing std.io, but it didn't show up.
No, you did lowercase.
No,
And
I
then
did.
you
I did
all
uppercase. I did uppercase. Look.
You did all uppercase. It is the I that's uppercase.
Okay, that might be true. There.
Yeah, I know it's true. And it's also .cwd, current working directory.
That I knew. Okay. Didn't need that. Okay, access is still the same except it takes the IO
Yeah.
now.
You need the IO, yes.
Let's see. Okay.
Congratulations. There's also another thing here.
Mhm.
You see the max path bytes. Yeah. So now you do stdio.
STDIO for this. Wait, what?
Yeah.
For this, like,
Yeah,
s-
FS, because FS is gonna be gone.
ah.
Yes, dot, and then it is it FS or is it just directory?
There is no,
Uh,
so that has to be there.
Do file maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Do directory. Well, file. Yeah, no, file. My bad. Do
File.
file. A dot path. No, wait, I gotta check this. It is directory path, yeah. Path dot, and then it's max path bytes and shit. It should be there, right?
Root source file structure.
It's not. Wait.
FS path has no member name. FS is just bad. There's what? Why is it taking FS? Where is taking the FS?
Oh, it's just stdio directory max by path thing. It's not the path also. Which is stupid.
STDIO. What did you say? STDIO. I'm in
What
the
are you
wrong.
doing?
Fuck. I thought I went back to the place, but I did not. Where am I?
Nah, bro, no, you removed a bunch of shit now. I left for Valentine. Oh well, it's this guy that's gonna figure it out anyways. It's stdio path directory directory dot max path bytes.
Okay.
Yeah, for some reason. SIG standard lib developers, you have a path namespace. Use it. Eh.
Okay, and then the next requires.
Because no, it's not that.
Build?
It's because you removed the IO there
Oh my
in
god.
the build. I saw it happen. The next,
There.
yes.
Yep.
Great.
I'm a bit bad with the binding still.
With
The-
the bindings, these are not bindings. These are the standards.
No. I mean the key bindings for NeoVim.
Oh, yeah, we know that though.
What? Did you? Did you not
It's
approve?
also called. No, it's vec. It's called vec position.
But I need a vec
not
4.
vec. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's some custom as function you made.
Yes, and I suggested it in my latest PR.
Oh, you made a PR?
Yeah, I made a PR. I need it.
Oh, let's see this PR. Okay, wait, we can do a PR review here.
Do I put you on the big screen? Oh, no. Oh, webcam. Let's go.
bad.
PR review. Let's
My
go.
bad. My bad.
Oh my god.
Discord is so bad. Anyways. Just leaking my face. Who
Yes,
cares?
yes.
Anyways. GitHub. Well, actually. Harold. Yes.
I'm wondering if I should switch just to the C library of the JOLTS physics because it's the SIG is kind of with the global
Probably.
state is so ass.
Jolt support.
yes. JOLTS we need reverse squad for JOLTS support and added vec 4 position. Yes.
I like my to do here.
Would you just say what I'm supposed to do here? You're supposed to approve it, okay?
To vec reversed.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right, I guess.
It's in the
Yeah.
quad. Yes, yes, yes.
I
Very nice.
mean,
If you have
yeah.
better namings for the function, I guess, but that's kind of like.
I don't care about the naming anymore.
I'm infecting his
subjective
math
rule.
library with my god awful names.
Yeah, I mean, this math library has gone to shit lately. Like, the docs don't match up at all anymore. Half the shit is like a big ass to do.
Why? Why am I using this math library?
I don't know.
Because how many times has Lucas leaked the group DM on the left? Be honest.
It's fine.
I'm hovering it right now. Ooh.
Just fetch it now.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, I can leak all the DMs, man.
It was with the Git plus, right? And then until
Yes.
there, like that. Sig fetch. Well, dash save, I think. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
It's slowly memorizing.
Yes, I am developing a brain.
No. You're
There.
no.
I know it didn't look good in the word. Okay, don't worry about that. Don't worry. Okay, the thing is working again, guys. It's not good though. We're just gonna do a quick in here. We're just gonna immediately break out of the main loop. We're done, and then let's see what it should. I want to read a bit of these things. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about that. These are just creation of the debug pipeline that I want to use. And they are. I know it's created incorrectly, so we're fine. What was the next thing I want? Yes, I want to still try out render though. Let's see. So if you load the settings and we press launch, let's see. Yep. Okay, everything seems to be fine. Woo! And there it goes. Bye. Amazing. Fantastic. Then we can continue with the we're just gonna fix this one while we're at it. Return, was it just error dot systems init? Flying tree. No, the tree was not. It was the planet that flew away. But thanks. Okay. What I want to do is now create this. Thanks, Harold, for the help. Do you wanna talk about some other things, or you wanna? Because I wanna if like it would be nice to have you with developing it if you want to, but yeah.
I mean, technically, I have break next week.
Yeah.
So possibly.
Because we could we could also do that off stream, kind of discuss just the idea of the whole thing again. I think you know pretty much what I'm trying to do, but
yeah, it's trying to do trash.
Yeah. Somebody said no, Harold.
No,
like quote,
Harold,
just quote. It was the Tosa. It was like just no, and then quote by Harold. But
yeah, I mean, I might work on it, but the thing is, I'm really working on my windowing manager, but I think I could still look into some things for it.
Yeah, because it would.
Like, I'll have so much time next week, so when I get pissed at X11, you know, I'll maybe do something here.
Yeah, but because it would be really cool just to get more people with it, in on it.
But on it, in it. Yes.
Yes. But I kind of need to learn like how can I do this. So if you have interest, I could just talk about like how to do that without it. Yes.
Well, I'm probably just gonna do a bunch of cleanup, and I want to kill myself. I mean, rehabilitate myself.
Oh yeah, that works too. And then you can just show me more about how I should have done things, because then I can still at least learn from that and try to do that, you know. I think
Right,
one of the
right.
biggest problems I have is in the renderer with, or actually it's wait, you're gonna wanna puke. Look away, maybe.
I'll watch.
The descriptor here, this one is, it's such a C++ oriented way of implementation.
Well, sorry, I don't know that good Vulkan. I ain't cleaning that up. I'm cleaning up names and heap allocations.
This one is a monster on heap allocations.
Of course it is.
Yes. And I'm too afraid to change it because it's so damn overcomplicated for such a simple thing it's supposed to do. It's like, it's awful. But it's okay. It's okay, you know. It's not okay. It's not okay. But it works.
Yeah, it's not okay.
It's not okay. I think this one is one of the things I would really like to completely redo, but it's fine. It's fine. I won't touch it until it's necessary. But yeah, we're gonna add the debug renderer. That's what we're working on. And that's up here. This big ass file with a huge init because it initializes a lot of big ass stuff. But here we create. I'm gonna use the same. I should probably create a separate shaders also for this thing. But we're not just gonna worry about it for the moment. But we can see here that create pipeline structure, pipeline restoration state, create info, wait, that must be, wait, restoration state type must be wiki structure, restoration state, create info, it should be. That's weird that we got that error. That error we shouldn't have gotten. Did I change the state by? Oh, now I see what I do. Right. Shit, because I do this thing in here, yeah. I cannot do it like that. Because then I override it. I need to do it after. Like so. Let's see. I'm gonna clean. Now open the main real quick and add the. Not that. Gonna go here. And then in here, I'm gonna add a break. Just so we can fix this init to be alright at least. Let's see, and then now it should at least say p restoration. Did it even say? Same issue, but it shouldn't be anything else now because. Let's try again. Structure S type must be. But now fuck. I'm still doing the same problem, just more complex. I'm supposed to not change the whole structure, just this thing. Let's see. View. Yes, now it's view count, and that's a dynamic thingy. Very nice. Hello, Kyle. All right, so let's see dynamic states. Let's see p viewport create info viewport stats view count can't be 0 unless. Let's see. I don't remember how did one do this. Was this something that I did already on the init, or do we have to do it after? Let's see. Oops, I cannot. How do I? Can I just do like, for example, like this? No. Okay, I don't know how I move down there. Like, and I can do it with mouse. And what I want to do is basically take the, let's see, tessellation viewport state. But don't I have to do a little bit more than just? No. I have to tell it to be dynamic because I want it to be dynamic state. You could also just change this thing, but that sounds like a bit of a weird thing to do. How is it going? It's going. It's going. What I want to do is this mesh pipeline config dynamic state, and then I want to say basically this dynamic state. Oh wait, so I do viewport state, and then okay. Viewport Okay. We can actually just copy this. And then we just use that. I don't think I... Do we have to do that? Also, let's see, where's the init pipe graphics here? Let's see. So it takes the config, yeah, I need to provide that, otherwise. Should probably change the config a little bit. Because these things should probably leave like more fields that needs to be set. Like the image could also be stored just in there, and then you could take the format from the image, and that would make it a little bit cleaner, I think. Well, I guess you still want to change the number there, so then it's kind of good to still allow this to be done from the outside. How it's going? It's all right. It's going all right. I'm thinking about. We're doing a little bit of. Well, you know, as you go, you learn a little bit more stuff. So I'm basically, that's what I'm trying to do. Like thinking a bit better on how to do stuff. But it's fine the way it is. But I think we'll probably have to change a lot. Nah, I won't change anything until it's really necessary. Let's see. Yank that, and then we're gonna go here. Oops. Back and paste that there. Save that, and then do that. Why didn't it do on all of them? I swear to God. This is bullshit. Yank. Or is it actually like I'm supposed to do like so and then like that? No, because then it all. How am I supposed to do this? How do I yank the current word? Is it there like yank W? Is that it? And then can I just change word or something? Insert. What if I do visual? Move left. I have no idea. Welcome back, pig. But I don't wonder, how can I just like select the word that I'm on easily? Yeah, it only does it for the first one. That's so annoying. Why? Well, now I'm already done, so I'm just gonna paste it. Okay, whatever. So then we'll do the same thing. We do view state, scissor count, viewport, view, scissor count and viewport count, dynamic count, and then we're gonna do this the same thing because it's gonna be using the same idea, and then we have to do a little bit of change there. We have to put some C, and that should be it pretty much. And then we just change that. Still have to do the image, I think, but let's see how far does it go. Yes. So the init seems to be fine. Now we just have to deinitialize the pipeline. Yeah. So in the init we have here we have all of these things. I think it would fit in quite well here with the just after the default data. Just itself dot debug pipeline dot init and path itself dot device. Let's see. Boom, and destroy device has not been destroyed. Actually, let's see. Material, yeah, here I still material layout. I should probably not call it material layout. It should be for debug. Rename it and call it debug layout. Debug descriptor layout. Debug descriptor layout, like so. Again, now I want to do the same thing. Is there like GTP? In lazy vim can I don't in lazy vim can I easily select current word that cursor is on. The asterisk or jumped pre. No. I want to select GN. Visual mode next occurrence. Visual inner word. Yes, that's what I wanted. Left conversations. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna take this and then we're gonna go to B. But oops, B.
What's up?
What's
Stop.
up? We're gonna paste it in here. Oh, not like that.
How's it going? Am I seeing a simulated black hole now, or what?
No. We just upgraded to the latest.
Latest thick.
Yeah, and everything broke, but now it's fixed, so we're very happy. Yeah, tell me about it.
Bro, my knees hurt so much from my
Your
partner.
knees?
It's insane.
Poor knees, yo.
Yeah. Today it was my first real training at the new club.
Blavy. Like so, and there's
Nah, but
still a
it's
few
fire. Like, at
errors.
the new club,
Don't
everyone
worry.
is so much better than at the old one. Insane.
Let's see. I'm thinking. Yeah, I wanna go to this thing, and then here we're gonna put it. Oops. No, whatever. We're gonna take self dot debug. But it was there. Perfect. D in it, and we're gonna pass in the self. Oopsie daisy. Self dot device. Like so. Now we should have no leaks. 10% sure. Yeah, just some weird ass dynamic library stuff. I have no idea why that breaks. I have no idea. It just breaks. That's okay. Oh wait, it's not okay. Oh man, it might be okay. No, it's fine. That's fine actually.
Just a segmentation fault.
It's just a segmentation fault, and it's only when the application exits for real. So I think if I do hot reloading, we won't have problems, right? If then it's everything is fine, then we can smile and right. I forgot I need to remove the break. If hot reloading works, there's no problem. But if it doesn't, well, then we're sad. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna add a print. Let's see. It works. Hot reloading works, there's no problem. And then it can panic, then it can die on exit. I'm fine with that. We'll figure that out at some point. It's something weird going on. Knees or knees? Yes, T-Chef, we're very confused now. When your knees hurt, is it your knees or knees?
It's his leg part.
Oh, his leg part.
Yeah, it's not his like relative, you know.
Yeah, it's not it's not his relative leg. It's his absolute leg. Nah. Okay, so with that, now I got a debug renderer. Now the question is, how do we? What is the smartest way to go about it? Because if I go to draw geometry here, because what we want to do is here we just draw the basic opaque and transparent stuff. The transparent is a bit fucked still, but that's a problem for later when I start to draw transparent shit. I don't care about it until then. Because it's what if I never do transparent shit? It just happened to be in the tutorial that so that's why it's here and it's fucked. But for now, I care about doing debugging for the collisions, and the collisions. What they are basically, it's we can get it here from this thing because anything that has not everything has it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait, but I do get. Yeah, I do get the model. But the collide. Hold on. Hey. Wait, I can also just do this. I think. Yeah, easy. Fuck. My LSP is not LSPing with me right now. Okay, it is kind of. I don't know. Why won't you just
I
find the
swear, it would be
word?
so cool if we would live in a world where LSP works every time.
What?
It would be so cool if we live in a world where LSP works all the time.
For real. But here, the collider is the only thing that has a body ID. And now, what I want to do is in renderer, here, yes. What I want to do is that when I try to render something and then I see that if they have a collider and I have debug enabled basically, then I would also like to draw the debug colliders, right? To see like how things should collide and interact. First thing is there's a few things I need to answer if I want to do that. One of them
equals 3.14.
Yeah, that's some crazy stuff right there. Anyways, what I want to do is I need to decide how do I know if they have a collider. Well, I want to draw everything that has a transform and a model. That's like the criteria for being drawn. But I could have a separate loop actually that loops over everything that has a collider and a transform and then draw them separately. That is an approach I think is fine. Because the model is literally just this information. Yes. Okay. So the first loop will just be deciding that, and that's no. Yes. And the second one, which comes in here, that will be a second loop of drawing shit. And that one will decide then if we have capsule, box, sphere, or a complex shape to draw. Now, if it's a complex shape, it's not really it has to be uploaded somehow. Yes, we'll figure that out. Let's focus on this part first. So if it's capsule, box, or sphere, it's just I think these ones has to be written in the binary, I think, how they will look like. And then we will just scale them based on the transform. Do we want the collider to have a relative position to the... That's a question for later, and then I will implement it later. I'm not gonna care about it right now. What's the drawing team? It seems nice. Is it Hyper... What is it called? Hyper what?
Wavescribe.
Wavescribe, yeah, Hyper. It's called Wavescribe. I think that will be the approach. So a second loop to render debug stuff, and then it will, from the collider, that's just the only debug I have that I want to draw separately, and so we'll add that. Yeah. And I'm not gonna care about the relative offset. If I want that error, then I will add it into the collider, a component into it straight away. Oh, thanks, I'm going to install it after my arch will stop shitting itself. That's a great idea. It's really good. I need to nuke my partitions, completely clean everything. I need to get rid of my Windows. I booted into Windows, was it yesterday or the day before that? And it just completely obliterated my Arch Linux booting. So, yeah, that was
How did you fix it even?
Well, 40 minutes of just looking at the grub. eventually I fixed it. Of course, I use my phone for a little bit of Googling and GPTing, and yeah, I figured it out eventually. Was very, very funny. But yeah, I think I'm gonna completely wipe out Windows from my computer. I'm still gonna have it as a virtual machine, that for cases when I really need it. But I'm so done with Windows. I hate it. Like, it's so bad. Like, honestly. Jesus. Why? I need both Windows and Arch on one drive, by the way. Yes, I have 5 GB main and 4 TB secondary. Yes, I know, expensive second drive. Damn. Yes. But also I just need to clear up my Arch as well. Okay. So we're gonna do another one of these. Damn, I'm just adding more stuff to my thing. Draw geometry. I think I will rename this one now, because I'm actually using this one. Draw geometry, like so. And then we're gonna create one more, and this is gonna be draw query. It's gonna be draw debug query. Yeah, it has to be called draw debug query, otherwise it's confusing. And what we're gonna get here is not the model anymore. Now we're gonna get the world module, and it's gonna be the collider and the transform. That's what we care about in this one. And while draw debug query dot next. Where's my damn LSP? Huh? Do I have to update the LSP? Maybe it could be that I'm not. Maybe it's just that my LSP is out of date.
Not gonna lie, you know what we should do? We should make our own LSP. That's so smart.
Yeah, I really want to get this thing working, LG Chef, thanks. That's a smart idea now, but I really want to focus on this. Let's see. I'm just gonna get the latest LSP. Wow, it's like so fast, the internet speed here. Is it just this thing and then that, right? Isn't it just that simple? Where do I even store? Where is the less? Ah, I do have it also in here. Oh, so I can just git pull. And then we can actually take this. I use both Windows 10 and Arch Linux with dual booting. Yeah, I do have that on my main computer. I never go into Windows except for when a friend asks me to play some Roblox. He's making a game. He needs some playtesters. And yeah. LSP sounds like an epic yak shave excuse. Wait, what? What's a epic yak shave excuse? What I haven't heard this saying. Is it something crazy? What does that mean? But yeah, it's I'm kind of done with the dual booting. It just destroys the Linux boot partition, and I know, or not the partition, but the actual just booting, and I don't want to deal with that anymore. I'm fine with using a virtual machine for Windows whenever I need to use it. That's okay. There, boom. So I'm just gonna. Okay, let's see. Yeah, my LSP is working now. Crazy. Mine is fine. I remember my ex was making game on Roblox 2 years ago, and I was testing it. Was working in indie studio. Okay, and you were working in indie studio. Nice. That sounds very cool. Very cool. I was thinking of maybe applying for a summer job. Just randomly putting it out there, guys. I was thinking maybe I should apply for a summer job. Gemini summary. Jack shaving describes a productivity phenomenon where a seemingly simple task spirals into a long series of unrelated, small, and often frustrating subtasks. Yes, that sounds like my life. Virtual machine eats extra space of your device. I have tried before. It sucks. By the way, that was the last time when I played Roblox. Ah, okay. Yeah, no, but I don't have a problem with it taking more space. I have a problem with Windows just being so invasive as an operating system. Because I have plenty of space. I have like 4 terabytes of SSD and 2 terabytes of a HDD. So I'm fine with space. But I'm not fine with the Windows fucking my boot menus and everything. That's narrow. That I can't. No. No. That's not okay. Okay. Let's see. What do I want? I want to get the transform for this one. Camera transform. No. Just transform. And we're gonna do. I should capture it. I forgot to capture. Should I call it entry? Entry dot. And I don't want to manipulate. I just want to get the data. I'm not gonna change it. So we're gonna get the entry of the numset transform, and then what the hell, F32. Then we're gonna pass the world, and then we're gonna do another one of almost another one of these. We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna whoopsie daisy. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna call it collider, and then we're gonna change this thing to be. I did something. Okay, whatever. World module dot collider, like so. Now we got both of them. Link checked. What the hell is that link? Now I'm gonna get hacked, boys. Just you wait, guys. I'm opening a link. Let's see what it does. Ah, wait, somebody. I think Cheesecake sent me this link yesterday. Wait. Boom. Not space, RAM, CPU. I'm fine with that as well. My Geos, fuck the hell yeah, my engine is the best with. Damn, 3000 errors. Computer goes kaboom. Makes sense. I spent a lot of time on this task. I should write a program automating it. Theory. Writing code. Work on original task. Automation. I don't really understand. Like, what was this just like a time graph if you writing the code, or what is theory? What? Free time. Reality. What are these different? Because I understand why.
It's work in time.
Yeah, but like if you have the time axis and then you have the work, are these like separate functions on top of each other? Or what are these?
Time and work?
No. But you see, there's like one line that goes like this.
Yeah.
And then there's another one that goes like this. Like, what do they represent? That's what I'm like. I don't understand this graph. I would understand if it just was
Yeah,
one of
is
them.
to see one is writing code and the other one is work on original task.
So you do one of either or do you do both of them? What's happening here? And why is there
You
automate?
can choose either one. Because you here, if you work on the original task, you have less work, but you will complete maybe in the same amount of time. Otherwise, you will write code, have much work, and then at the same time you would normally finish the other tasks, you have it finished, and automation takes over, and then you have free time. That's how you think it is. But in reality, you write code, debug, rethink, and ongoing development. And no time for original tasks anymore. Exactly.
It's not funny. I don't get it. These two superimposed lines are the time devoted to original task and the time devoted to coding and automation.
Should we do graph theory now?
Yeah, now we have to switch. We have to switch. Okay, wait. 319. Yeah. So yes, two functions as you said. Okay, two functions. Okay, then it makes sense. Yeah, I mean, you shouldn't automate unless you have done the thing like a lot of times and you know kind of like all of the ins and out. For that, it's automating something is kind of like, I don't know. I try not to automate at least until I know that I have done it. I've done it a few times and I know that I'm just gonna continue doing it now. So then I could automate it. Before then, it's like, what? You don't even know what you're trying to do and you don't know if it's gonna work and you're trying to automate it. And then also I need to do that. This is a hacky way that I'm solving the problem, but it's a problem that, as I said, I don't care. The theory is the work of task will go down and the coding will go down. Yes. But that's when you, well, yeah, I guess that's also kind of when you get to this where it's just ongoing development. If you kind of have to repeat the task so many times that you just know all of the things that you can automate and should automate, right? Okay, what? Now I need to switch on the collider type or the shape. So we have either a complex or primitive, right? Let's see, world. Why did I do it like this? What was I thinking here? I mean, it's not. Oh no! Shape.
I was.
This is
there
okay.
when you made that.
Yeah, no, this is okay. So either have a primitive or have a complex one. So yeah, I'm gonna do a switch on that. Yes. That's what I will do. So if you have a that primitive, we'll do this. Wait, how does this is how it works, yeah. And then else basically we have a complex, and then we're gonna do this. Very nice. If the reality's coding will take over if the original work. Yes. And then here, now that we have decided, let's say that we have a primitive. Wait, I should be able to capture. I'm just gonna call it shape. Shape. Isn't this how I do it? I'm a bit confused. Wait, hold on. Oh no, I don't capture it there, I capture it here. Okay. My bad. So shape, like so. And then can I still do a switch on the shape? Because this one will still need. Yeah, if it's a box, they will do something. If it's something else, we'll do something else. So if it's a box, do that. If it's a capsule, we do this. And then if it's a sphere.
I think I will go sleep now.
Alright, good night, T-Chef. We will see you some other day, some other time.
Yeah, good night. Good luck with the project.
Thank you. You're so kind.
Good night, see ya.
See ya.
Good night.
See ya.
And this is what we'll need now. If we do provide, let's say, a box, we need to know what is this mesh that we're going to draw, right? So we need to store these primitives somewhere. And I think the renderer should just store them as allocations in the beginning. So you know what that means. You can add another thing to store here. I don't think it's bad. It's actually the right approach, I would think. Why not? Because it's always gonna be there. This should also be whenever we have something, a mesh that's not found when we try to render something. I think we should use a box that just says lol xd you fucked up or something as a texture. That would be pretty fucking cool. We do have access to meshes and loaded scenes, which we could reuse, or I could also just store a separate array here. I think I will do that because we will know that these ones will always exist and they should not be involved. with whatever happens here. I think that's how we'll do it. So I will call them debug meshes. Meshes. Yes. And it will just be in VK. Actually, we could just, for now, I'm just gonna give 3 of them. vk.mesh, like so. And it will not be initialized, I think. We'll have maximum 3 of them, yeah. And then I should be able to just, we can call create mesh, even have a create mesh over here, where you just provide the name, the indices, and the vertices. Pretty simple stuff. I'm wondering, now it's starting to get like, I could probably have it stored somewhere else, the information about creating this mesh, because this whole init is getting huge. And also, like, how many lines of code is this file? 800, okay, not too bad. But it's really hard to navigate in it. I feel like a lot of this stuff could be in just like some kind of helper almost, helper init or something. Harold, what is the suggested approach for something like this? Is there a suggested approach?
For something like...
You see, this file is 800 lines.
Mm-hmm.
And like everything is relevant to it. Most of it. There's like maybe a little bit. But is there a way like to kind of move, like for example this init? I have like, could I like have an init helper or something to the renderer, which would take a lot of like basic law? No?
It's great. Long files are great. We love them.
Well, that sounds a bit or if I could move these function calls, like draw geometry to some other place except the renderer.
Well, where would you move it?
Well, I'm just wondering if you could do that, if it would be like, what's the SIG approach to this?
Keep it all in one file.
Well,
and just move irrelevant shit out.
Well, everything is kind of relevant. It's just like super huge.
Great.
Great. I'm about to die or something. Anyways. So, well then we have the debug. I think I will actually start that I usually don't like to do this, but for this I will do note debug. Like that. It looks great. I don't like to write comments, but right now this file is so huge that I need some way to indicating that I'm working with this is the debug section of stuff, so I can easily find it when I scroll. So we're gonna initialize that, and then we can do what I can do here. If we can do a const and then debug meshes. And then an array of vk mesh, and it's undefined. Yes. And then debug meshes pipeline. Meshes. First one is going to be equal to dot init. No. We're gonna do right. Create mesh immediately adds it there, so we cannot do that. That sucks. But I should be able to access it as if it was a mesh and initialize it, I feel. Yeah, init. And then I should be able to just provide all of these. And yeah, that's actually a better approach. Thank God. Why is my LSP again being a shithead? Anyways, there should be an init. I'm just gonna type it out. So let's see if it now recognizes it. Yes, now it does. Okay, so we're gonna pass the allocator. And then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna do the Vulkan memory allocator, then the name. So VMA. Then the name, we're gonna call it box. And I think vertices and indices. And now device. Why do I have the device? there. Shouldn't that no device and then the surfaces? I can do just white, I think. So self, wait. Device. It's just device. I'm still initializing stuff. Surface. Could I just? No. This is gonna be another one of those, isn't it? Let's see. Bright mesh here. Oh, default material. No, it will work actually. This default material. Wait. Because yes. Wait. Here. There. I allocate it on the heap so we can do that. Oh, thank God. Woo! Can pass default material. We have to do an array though. And now is the vertices and the indices, I think. Indices and vertices. And for a cube, that shouldn't be too hard. But you know what we can do? We can just do a little bit of this, and we could just ask. Wow, the thing really
Our
doesn't.
friend.
Hmm?
Our friend.
Yeah, you have a friend. That's good. Can you generate a box in Sig with these with this oh my god, vertex data? I need these as well for Vulkan. I could also ask for a sphere while I'm at it, but we're gonna do one thing at a time. And then I'm gonna go, I think I saw it in the mesh, if I remember correctly. Wow. Let's see, there it is. This is the vertex data. Bam, bam. And then we're gonna go here, and then I'm gonna this vertex data. So we're gonna do boom. I need the indices as well from Vulkan. Okay, let's see. Because then I could just take that and pray that it works, and then it's very happy. Let's see, what does it do? It does the structure, yes. Make box. Okay, that you don't need to do. I was thinking of storing it in the. Well, actually, that's not too crazy. Yeah, I could do that. It just clutters up a little bit. That's okay. Let's see. Yep. Don't. Why would you do that? Well, I guess that's fine as well. Okay. Okay. Vertex. Oh God. Oh God. Oh no. You're doing each vertex. Okay. Well, I mean, I don't know. Okay. Yes. Oh shit.
I mean, you didn't ask him for good code.
I mean, it's not bad, but it's also like I just wanted a normal box. I honestly didn't care about these specifics. I should have probably told it that.
Can't you ask it, for example, to make a script, I don't know, in Python that converts, like, I don't know, a GLTF file to, like, a Zig function?
Yeah.
Or anything?
Yeah, I guess, but it's no. This is just a one-time thing. It's just a polygon stripe box for
I don't
debug.
even know what a polygon stripe is.
It's the one you do literally this. So wait, the polygon is like a triangle. That's a polygon. This is also two polygons, for example. And what I want is this, you know, the debug box that just exists of the polygon stripes, these things. That's all I
It
want.
doesn't need to have any of these, so it doesn't
Yeah.
need to have any of these. So
Yeah.
it's like only needs 8 vertices and not how much there is.
No. It's still because it's gonna draw. Well, actually, yeah. If I change it, oh, that's actually pretty smart. I could do that. Well, it just needs the polygons. It just needs the polygons for the box for debugging purpose.
I mean, like you don't need to have 24 vertices for a box with no UVs, and probably unused normals.
Yes, but it's still like I'm gonna use the same setup for vertex information. I'm not gonna create a whole like separate structure of information for this, because then I also have to create new shaders for it, which, I mean, it would be ideal, but it's like I don't really care. I can still just reuse the data. I'm not really having a bottleneck performance going on right now, so it's fine. And this is actually all of the information we need: 8 corners of a cube, then the vertices, and then the indices. And let's pray that this is gonna look good. So we're gonna go back into here, and now we have the meshes, and then I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna paste it here. And let's see, what did it do? Expected equal, let's see. That should actually be
I don't know why, but Zig looks like, I don't know, like an abandoned language for storing data.
Huh?
vertices positions, so we go through each, and then we just get the pause, build extra for loop, extra capture for loop. I do need the I, but
What code editor is that?
Neobeam.
Oh,
Yeah.
I still don't know how to exit Vim on my virtual machine.
And let's see. I don't know, these comments is like, okay, that's fine. White debug color. Well, that's kind of obvious. You don't need to tell the color. You can read that. This makes sense to have commented. Let's see. These are just... Okay, now I see what it does. Why would it do it like that? And let's see, expressed as, it's the same idea. I just have to change this to be that, and change this to this, and let's see. Or is it without the dot? No, wait, it's without the dot. It is without the dot. Okay. And then this doesn't know where this comes from. That's okay. vk.mesh.vertex. Let's see, the same goes for that. But now I'm wondering, is it dying? Is it doing the right thing? Let's see, okay. Unused local constant, that's okay. Expected, that's okay. So then, let's see, it's the indices first and then the vertices. So we're gonna do indices, like so, and then the vertices. Whoa. And let's see, VMA expected. Okay, so it wants the handle. Why would I take the handle? Should probably take in the actual, like, not the handle yet, because it's still my thing. I only should pass in the handle when it's the Vulkan that takes over, not when I'm still working with it. Expected Vulkan you found shit. Let me think. Okay. Yes, so we have to do like, hold on, like this one more time, right? And then dot surface. Wait, let me think. This is not correct. Great. Mesh here. Let's see, this is what I want to do. No, it's pretty much correct. It just needs to change to, I'm just gonna take this, but I don't think then. I'm gonna go back up here, I'm gonna select this, I'm gonna paste there, slightly change. Why did I, fuck? Okay, try again, boom, select. This is going great. Okay. It went so good, and then it fucked up. Okay, I'm gonna try again, but this time I'm gonna take this and go like that, yes, and go back to here. And now I got everything I need. We'll just change it like so. Let's see. There's no such thing as indices, len exists, origin. We'll still use that, and default data. This is now called. Is it just default data? I'm gonna be doing something very wrong very soon. What the fuck? Remember your transformation. I have more rotated out of screen and even more. Oh, damn. Let's see. Indices. Expected an array. Found a const. I guess I could change word where. Something has to change here. Let's see. At least we got rid of that now, but it's still incorrect. Maybe it wants to add. No, there is no. Hey, hold on. What the? Okay, then I have to change it to be. Paste that there equals to this, and then we will still need to change it to use. Do we need to change it to like that? No. U32. Hey, hold on. That's what I should be doing, and then I also should use the. What am I doing? Okay, let's see. Brrr. And let's see. No? I know one of these is right, but I don't remember the exact. Okay, and now I do this. No, expected type found const pointer. Come on, one of these has to be it. Okay, we're gonna do this because I always fuck this up. I never get that one right. Let's see. I'm gonna provide it with this, and then I'm gonna ask it this. So this is like one or the other, and I don't know how do I. This one doesn't allow the rationalization, and I'm like, well, what the fuck do I do then? Just beginning is fixed to use fixed array slice. But isn't that basically also what I tried and it didn't work? Unable to infer. Okay, good. Then I will provide that. And I think we will have same problem with this one as soon as we get to it, but compiling infer var. Okay. Oh, right. You could do that. Yes. Oh, wait. You can do that. Okay. How do I then go about this? Because now I need to take it in over there. Checked syntax. Hello, Sig. Yes. I mean, I'm kind of struggling with always with these arrays, to pass them into a function. Always.
You'll figure it out. You just make it constant and elements.
But the thing is, like, it's so weird. Like, they never make sense.
Slice it. No, it makes sense. You just don't know it.
You just know it. No.
It takes some time to figure out, but it's gonna take forever for you to figure it out. So.
Yeah. That's
Don't even try. You just ask me how to do it.
What? Wait, it moved on? Well, that's. Oh, I sent. What? No. I wanted to figure out this issue. I sent it a bit too much. It took that one as. This is the focus, please. Why I named the damn triangle door, bruh? That's a bit misleading. Yeah, okay. Suppose you have. How to fix it? Suppose you have. But then I might get the same error because it's gonna just. Isn't that the first thing that I had? Yeah, that's the first thing I had. And then it asks for the ampersand or pointer, but that will tell me then that I cannot do that either. So we're back in same problem as the beginning. And I swear to God, if it now says there's some simple solution to it, then oh my God, I'm about to lose it. This is pointer to fixed array. Ah, right. That we could do. So this thing is just that, and then you just provide this. And then it says that expected type found a const, and then say var, and then we're still, yes, that fixes it. Okay, forgot that. The vertices are already a var, so this one are just changing it to being the 0 dot dot. And then cannot assign the const, right? Var debug meshes, like so. And then we have to do a try. Let me try to initialize the mesh. And then in here we can now take the debug. Debug meshes is equal to debug meshes. So it should copy over all of that information. Is just data. The init is just exists here. Takes over it. This is allocated on the heap. This is a buffer, but the buffer only has Vulkan handles, so that's fine. Vertex buffer thing. This is also just a Vulkan handle. And this is an array which should be copied over as well, so everything should be fine. In that sense, let's see, let's take the next thing, the unused parameter. So, actually, so with that, we got the box now. So I'm just gonna do this. We're just gonna add a simple. Yes, because what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna take the mesh. We're doing a var. Yeah, var. We're gonna do something very pathetic, but we like pathetic stuff because they are easy to understand. We're gonna say the mesh is equal to, and then we can have self that debug meshes and index 0. So bam, there we got the mesh that we will be using. And then we will create a mesh node. Well, why am I rewriting all of this when I could literally just copy paste it from here and then just change the values? Probably not the best way to do it, but you know, you don't make things look good before you know it works. And mesh node. And then we're gonna paste that. And let's see, we got double colons over there. Now we don't have enough colons. And then I put another extra in there back. What? Come on. Okay, boom. So what we do here is that we create another mesh node, then mesh surface items, material series. This will be true. Is equal to the mesh, and then the transform is identity. I should probably change that. Well, whatever. And then we do main draw context. And yes. Now the thing is that we can't really use the same draw this thing because it will use the wrong pipeline. No, wait, draw context, opaque surface. Oh, that's the pipeline actually. Yeah. No worries. We're chilling. We Gucci. I think so. A pass in self. I have to check though. But let's take a look. So we go in here. We draw this bind pipeline, render object, material pipeline instance, graphics, pipeline handle. This will use the wrong pipeline. Fuck. Okay. Fuck. No. I didn't think this through, did I now? No, I did not. I absolutely did not. No. It was such a good flow. Draw context. Can I not just... Oh, no. Oh, opaque surfaces. Render objects. Yeah, because it will append and then the material instance will have the handle to the pipeline, but because I'm using the material of the... Oh, no. Yeah, we have to change this material, because I was just thinking I could go easy on this thing with the default data. default data here, which uses the this thing, which is this. Oh no, it just gets, yeah, it gets it from there and then write material default data. I should actually do this, but I don't want to build 2 pipelines for that. Okay, this is where we have a little bit have to change, because this is because of the GLTF that tutorial that I followed. It was just to implement it like this, and that's what I have done. Now I would like to have just a very explicit different way of doing it, and I don't want to do it this kind of way. So we'll have to change that and look into not how to do it, we'll do it. Material, in a sense, this is so still in it. I hated this function from the beginning, to be honest. So I think we'll probably find out to change it a lot, so we can really use this and call it something different than init build pipelines. Because like the data is still the same. We want to store the information and create the same stuff. We just don't want to create both a transparent and a opaque pipeline for the debug. That's basically what I don't want to do anymore. You officially convinced me to install Linux as primary OS. Yes, it is the OS. It's honestly, when I started, like, I have tried to be converted to Linux for a long while, but it never really clicked. A long while, a few years. But then I think switching to Arch Linux, like Ubuntu didn't really fit for me, to be honest, but Arch Linux has been like a great journey, even though painful, because there's so many things that just breaks. But I don't know, I'm fine like spending 3 hours just trying to figure out why drivers are not compatible. I don't know. It's weird, but it's fun. You have a damn cube named Triangle Door. That's amazing. But yeah, Arch Linux is amazing. It's just so convenient, and how you can customize it, right? It's really awesome. I wish I was just a little bit better. Still at like I still suck, but you know, slowly getting there. All right, I think we will call it. I should have stopped half an hour almost ago, but I got kind of excited, and then 20 minutes went by. Whoops. We'll fix this material pipeline tomorrow. This is a bit sus to have in here, but it's fine, I think. It will not run it because it won't. Well, it would draw. It would use the wrong pipeline and do the wrong stuff, which is not what I intend to do with it. March is stable. That's nice. I will be choosing a Polish distro Linux in which supports most apps I need, and also I'll be having 96 GB on Windows. Yeah. Good night, everybody. Harold, you want the honor? You wanna hit it?
Yes. So, everyone, see you tomorrow.